Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you the new move and copy experience that we have in SharePoint and in OneDrive. So we are currently on a team site. I'm in a document library, and for instance, I would like to take this file, and I will click the three dots and do move. Now we see a new experience actually. On the left, we can move it either to the OneDrive. See, this is my OneDrive, or I can move it to this site, and actually I can, if I want to see all of the documents libraries, I can now use this drop down. So currently I have doc1 and doc. So if I come here, I can see the structure. I can choose on which folder I want to move it. And actually, so let's just move it here. And you see it moved it. Now let's see what else we can do. Actually, I can choose to move. I'll click this to move. And what I can do is actually, if I want to create a folder, I can create it from here. So I can give it a name. Let's call it folder 3. Now within this folder, I can choose to move this file. And actually, we can do that. What else can we do? We can actually move this file, and we can decide how do we want to see everything. We can see it by views. You see this view shows it without folders, for instance. This shows with, and we could also choose if it's a list, a compact list, or to see it as tiles. So it's very convenient. So within the same site, we can scroll with this new document navigation and choose. If we want to go to another site, we just go to another site. We see the default one. We can choose to go to another document library. We can create a folder. If we don't see the site here, we can click for more places. And what else? Let's go back. So let's say I'm here. Let me go back. I want actually to move. So I will click this. And if I move to another site totally, let's see, I will get an option here if I want to keep the same sharing permissions. You see? So if I mark this, these people will get the same permissions for this folder or library. Now so also here I can move it to my OneDrive. Now let's look at the experience from the OneDrive. I'm now in a OneDrive. So I have all kinds of folders, and let's choose a document. So for instance, I have this document and I want to move it or copy it. We will get the experience. I could choose between the folders within the OneDrive. So let's save it in recordings. By the way, I can also here create a folder and then to choose. And if I'm in the OneDrive, actually, I can also see all of the other sites. Here again, I can, within the site, I can choose what document library I want to move it. So I'll move it to translation packages, and then I can choose what to do. So let's go to my OneDrive. Let's look for a file. Let's mark it. Let's do move. Let's choose that I want to move it to SharePoint. These are my document libraries. This is the only document I have, library I have. I'll just move it here, and now it has been moved. So the experience is nice and fresh, and actually try it out and let me know what you think. Have a good day and see you in the next episode. and subscribe to my channel if you like. Goodbye.